Hi everyone, welcome to the course of StaadPro for structures. I am Badrun Nasa, a design engineer, your instructor for this course. This course mainly teaches us two things. Now, what is that we are going to learn out of this course is understanding the software. Now, what do you mean by understanding the software? Understanding the user interface, the options available, how to use the options, where to look for the options. And next is understanding the structural design. Now, just understanding the software is not sufficient. Understanding the structural design is also very important. The reason is need to basically know how to use these options and why we are going to use this option. And without the application side of it, it's not very convenient to learn any software. Secondly, I'll just give you an example is owning a car. Now, owning a car is not sufficient unless and until you know the driving part of it. So the software is not just the single body, we need the design or the application of the same. Next, learning path. Now, how do we learn the software in this course? First thing is we are going to learn the software basics. For this, we are going to analyze a simple beam, a 2D frame or a 3D frame, which will help us to understand the options or the software user interface. Next, second option is analysis of design of building. Now, in this part, we will basically understand how to read an architectural drawing, which will be given to a structural engineer, understand the components of it, translate it into a building model, and then apply all the properties and loads, and finally analyze it for design. Now, the third thing that will be taken care in this course is the detailing of the structural members. This basically helps us, or this basically teaches us how to give the steel detailing for all the structural members that we are going to model and analyze. Now, next, who should take up this course? This is very important to understand if this course is really essential for me. Now, firstly, the course is very much essential for structural engineers. In case you're planning to be a structural engineer or you're already a structural engineer, to enhance your skill set, the software knowledge is very important. Next thing is students. Now, you might be a BE graduate or an MTech graduate or a diploma graduate. It's very important for a student to understand the structural behavior, and also by learning the software, it will open you the career paths as a structural engineer or assistant structural engineer. Next is trainers. Now, in case you're planning to be a lecturer, a trainer for the software, then knowing the software in detail, that is the structure as well as the software part of it, is very essential. And finally, the civil engineers. A lot of people who are already on site, who are like working as site engineers or any other department of construction, and they are planning to switch their career into the field of structures, then this will be a very helpful course. Now, I will try my best to meet up the objectives of learning, and I hope you get satisfied to the utmost. And I wish you best wishes as well as happy learning. And I hope to see you soon with me in this course. Thank you. Take care.